believe Asmita is going to play a very major role in transforming the mentality, especially coming from a rural background myself. I have faced some issues, if not many, regarding mentality. She's a girl that she shouldn't be playing, she shouldn't be in sports, and all her she doesn't belong in sports. So we still, in some parts of our country, we still have that sort of mentality. And I think this Asmita will play a major role in changing that as well. And I believe that women if given opportunity in sports, can do equally good, as good as men. So I think it's just about ki opportunity jisko milegi. If we have seen in the past few Olympic Games also, I would like to highlight that women have done incredibly well in sports. So I believe it's high time that we all cheer for our women, and we all do the best that we can to support Asmita to make it a bigger success than even Khelo India.
मनु, खेल मंत्री ने भी कहा कि इस जो जेएनयू स्टेडियम है उसको तोड़ के एक वर्ल्ड क्लास स्पोर्ट्स सिटी बनने जा रही है. No, nothing on that. No contribution. Next question.
Manu, recently you finished fifth at the World Championship, so you lost Isha Singh got his third match. So just take us through the game. That was a very tough game, very close game. You fought it till the end, but you missed on a second position. So take us through the game. कि कैसा था? Because last time जब मैं वो Olympics qualification वाले बात कर said that's your next time. So how was that? Just take us.
Okay, so for me, I was aiming at the World Championships, and it was a very major competition for me. My performance was very good. I was in the finals for both my events. I scored very decent also. And I couldn't make it to the podium, but my teammate Isha Singh did. And see, it's sports. Sports में आप कभी जीतते हो, आप कभी हारते हो. It's never going to be the same, or it's never going to be just victories. And for me, it's India that wins the medal, and not me or some other athlete. It's just that India got bronze medal, or India got gold medal, or India got silver medal, or India got these many medals. So for me, I'm always cheering for whenever India is winning any medals in any sports.
अभी डेफ ओलंपिक्स में धनुष ने भी 2 वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड
तोड़ते
हुए गोल्ड मेडल जीता है, और डेफ ओलंपिक्स में हमारे इंडियंस बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
मतलब व्हाट मैसेज विल यू गिव देम टू मोटिवेट देम मोर?
आई थिंक हमें खुद ही मोटिवेशन मिलती है जब हम देखते हैं बहुत सारे एथलीट्स को जो स्पेशली चैलेंज्ड हैं, स्पेशली एबल्ड हैं, आई वुड से, एंड वी ऑल लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम देम कि एक जज्बा होता है इंसान के अंदर. एंड व्हेन वी सी द काइंड ऑफ फाइटिंग स्पिरिट दैट दे हैव, इट इंस्पायर्स अस एज वेल. एंड फ्रॉम माई साइड, आई वुड जस्ट वांट टू गिव माई बेस्ट विशेस टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ देम, congratulate them on their amazing performances, and also that we look up to you. And in any case, if we can be of any help, we would love to help if whenever needed.